Hello, my name's Timothy Quigley, Valve Reliability Specialist at Novaspect, and welcome to Tools in Your Toolbox. The DVC6200 is a modular device where individual components are repaired by replacement. Today we're going to talk about replacing an I2P. To access the I2P, we need to remove the front cover to the DVC. Once the cover is removed, the I2P can be accessed on the left-hand side by removing 4 Allen screws. Once the Allen screws are removed, we can slide the I2P off, making sure that we are holding it on the side and putting no pressure on the front arm to it. With the new I2P, we can slide it right back in, retighten the Allen screws, and then you're good to go. My name's Timothy Quigley, and thank you for watching Tools in Your Toolbox.